Oh, we got a new thing out here. Whoa. Whoa. Is it in? It has to be injured. Somebody got in a box. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. There's eggs. Well, I'll continue. I won't bother you. You want me to leave?
Well, that is what happens with the GoPro dongle. It doesn't work right. It's staticky. So I lose all my video when I use the GoPro and a dongle and not have my task cam. I figure I'd give it a try with the Hero 8 in that maybe it would work because maybe it was the Hero 5 it wasn't working with well. Well, nope, it is staticky. I have no idea why. It's because they require you to have this stupid dongle to have audio. In this day and age, GoPro, why don't you just let us connect through Bluetooth or have a port right on the Hero series to be able to plug in a mic? Why can't we have that? Because you keep wanting smaller and this and that. Maybe bring out a whole different camera that will fit our capabilities for motovloggers and vloggers in general that have audio capabilities built into the camera, whether it's through Bluetooth, you have a jack so you can plug into some way. Otherwise, you just end up losing all your video because now I have to do a voiceover. And who wants to have a voiceover and who wants to do a voiceover for a video? So thank you, GoPro. You're awesome at ruining another video because I thought I would try your dongle out. I should never done that. I should have just kept with the Tascam because having the Tascam DR-05, it works wonderful. It's just a pain in the butt because I have to sync the audio and it slowly lags as the time goes on. But anyways, thank you, GoPro. You've made happy memories here with my daughter by having shit video because of crappy audio and requiring a piece called a dongle to plug in to be able to get audio from your GoPro. Good audio, so you can use a mic and get good audio versus the built-in mics on the GoPro, which are a total joke, and I don't even know why you bother doing that. But anyways, guys, I'm ranting. Here, let's go back and enjoy some of their audio that it got. The static. It's awful.
Push that thing all the way till first. Okay, now try. She's being a lot more careful today. Hey, it's going good. Well, thank you.
Fortunately, this is private property.
God, I've been riding here for years.
They're cutting down. They're getting stricter on the rules. We get called out here all the time.
Okay.
Fine if you guys want to ride a little bit longer. 15, 20.
Just today and then call it good? Okay.
Well, now you know why I'm upset that the dongle does not work for the GoPros. You get bad audio, and I miss interesting stuff like this where, I can't really bring it to you what he said. It's just too staticky, but, just of it, he was a really nice cop, and he rides too, and, they just have a lot of issues over here, so they don't want people coming out. It's debatable whether or not one could ride there because I do ask him somewhere in my video that who owns the property. He goes, I don't know. So, there's no one to trespass me off. They can just say you shouldn't come here. But my local cops, so I'm not going to argue with them. And they do have a lot of issues over there with the homeless people and whatnot. So I understand, and that's fine. We'll find a different place. It's not a big deal. to practice with my daughter riding. It was just, not far from the house. And as you can see, there's no homes around to make a disturbance. There's no one. There's literally no one. So it's not a big deal. So again, thank you, GoPro, for your dongle that records staticky audio. It's a piece of crap. It worked very briefly since I've owned it, and it just puts out random video like this that's unusable. So I can't use or trust it that it's going to work. I have to go back to using the Tascam DR-05. I recommend that. Guys, for 50 bucks, do not buy the dongle. It doesn't work. It's a piece of junk. Don't buy it. If it was 10 bucks, I would say not a big deal. That's all it would be worth. It's $10. I don't understand why GoPro puts out this dongle. I don't understand why the capabilities, as I said earlier, are not built into the camera in this day and age. I want Bluetooth connectivity so I could just hook up my Cinecomm and be able to record audio. What a novel thing to, concept there for GoPro. Doesn't GoPro have a research team that sits around and maybe develops new features and thinks about what features people are using on YouTube? Or do they not check out YouTube to see how their cameras are being used? Do they not know there's vloggers out there that require good mics and want built-in audio connectivity to the GoPro? It doesn't seem like they have a good research team. I don't know. I'm ranting again. Anyways, guys, don't buy the dongle. Don't get a GoPro for audio capability. That's not why you get it. It does shoot good video, but it takes pretty bad audio. And if you buy the dongle, it's hit and miss whether it works. I've heard of other people having issues with the dongle. It's kind of funny. I mean, if it wasn't 50 bucks, then it wouldn't be a big deal. But they charge $50 for something that should be built into the camera from the get-go. So, GoPro, get your act together. You can do it. I believe in you. Come on now.